So, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some information learned in Python. I want to learn Python because it's a new coding language. Well, it's not new. It's a better coding language and it's very easy for people like me to learn. As I said, this channel will be mainly dominated by coding, and if I feel like I've learned enough from this, I will most probably make my own Python coding videos. But for now, I'm just going to show you stuff I made. So I keep it on my desktop folder, and it's Python projects. I have a few others in the normal one. Here's a basic hello world I made. These are some random names I found. So if I run it, it will ask you what's your name. And if I type, for example, Didi and enter number 0, it says please go away. But now if you look at the code better, at the start of the program it will print hello world. And then there's two variables. The name of the variables is my name and my variable. It will ask you what's your name, and it'll ask you to enter a number. So if you enter Iyad, and then you put in the number 1, you'll get print welcome Iyad. Or else if, that means if it's something else, for example, the name equals JJ, then you write, then the myvar equals 2, that means you wrote JJ and you did the number 2, it will print welcome. Anything else will just print go away. And in Python, this is just allocation. That means this is where data is stored. It's just allocating data. This is equals. And these are more logical steps. I also have another one. This is a hello world with functions. So this one is when you put this whole thing under a function and you can call it whenever you want. So this, defining the function's name is hello world, and you can put a string in here. So let's run this like now. It will still do the same things, except I did some different stuff here. I did some different stuff here. But if you write hello world function world, when you start the program, it's going to write hello. It's not going to write hello world. It's going to print out hello function world. Then it's going to continue with the function. And then I did it again, hello world poop world, as an example. So let's do this. And one hello poop world. And now if I get this correct, Iyad 0. Oh, that's wrong. Yes, please kill it. Run 5. Hello Iyad, then it's running hello poop world. And now if I write Bob, enter a number, I don't know. And okay, because I didn't add a number, it's just gonna default to hello that. But anything else is just gonna print hello world. Dun, dun, dun. Then I did something more advanced, like a calculator. I obviously did this with the help of a few YouTube videos. I'll put those in the link in the description, so you can learn something instead of listening to me babble on for like 5 minutes about stuff I'm doing. And then Python projects, and then calculator. The calculator is one of the more advanced ones. The hash is used for description. So function for adding, function for subtracting, function for multiplication, function for definition, and the main operator for the calculator. So this is just the basic rudimentary part of a calculator. Plusing, minusing, or adding, subtracting, multiplication, and division. So now you have to add two numbers, num1 and num2. You have to have two numbers for a calculator, for the basic function of a calculator. And they all do return. That means it will give you back the sum of these two numbers. The sum, or the comparison, the difference, the of, and the division of all of these. then here is where we actually use it. So it's going to ask you for an input. It's going to ask you for one of these four. Plus, minus, a star is for multiplication, and a slash is for division. Then it's going to ask you for an answer. If whatever you put in doesn't equal to any of these, then it's going to print enter invalid operation. This is saying here this is for valid operation. Then it will run main again. Then the logic of the calculator, else. So the variable 1 is num1 and variable 2 is num2. That means the variable is stored, num1 is stored in variable 1 and num2 is stored in variable 2. So that means if you select plus, if you write plus onto the keyboard, it will use the function add. That means it will return the two variables plus together and will give it back to you. Then if the operation is minus, it will do the same for subtraction, the same for multiplication, and the same for division. Then it will run main again, and it will be in a continuous cycle, so it can actually work as a calculator, not after you're done it stops working. So let's try it out. I want to plus num1. Let's do 1000, sorry, plus 2002 times that equals a big number. So I just did adding and multiplication, and let's do subtraction. 100, nope, forgot I have to first do this. So first number is 100 minus 20 is 80, and now division. So 4, 5, 6, no, first division, okay, 4, 5, 6 divided by 4, that equals 114. You can even do negatives, but that will be done later. Yes, I would like to kill the problem. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I might do a tutorial on how to do each of these. I'll also leave where I learned this in the description. It's raining today, so sorry for the background noise. Yeah, it's raining very hard, and I have a metal roof. It's a flat metal roof. So bye guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.